Cryptocurrencies have become an increasingly popular asset class over the past few years, with their market capitalizations growing at a rapid pace. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization as of September 2021. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency in the world, with a market capitalization of over $800 billion as of September 2021. It was created in 2009 by an unknown individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a blockchain network, and it has become increasingly popular among investors and merchants alike. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a market cap of over $300 billion as of September 2021. It was created in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a team of developers, and it operates on a blockchain network that allows for the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Ethereum has gained popularity due to its versatility and potential for use in a wide range of industries. Number 3. Cardano. Cardano is a relatively new cryptocurrency that has gained significant attention in recent years. It was created in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and it operates on a blockchain network that uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Cardano has a market capitalization of over $90 billion as of September 2021, and it has gained popularity due to its focus on sustainability, scalability, and interoperability. Number 4. Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency that was created by the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance. It operates on the Binance Smart Chain, a blockchain network that allows for the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Binance Coin has a market capitalization of over $80 billion as of September 2021, and it has gained popularity due to its utility in the Binance ecosystem, as well as its potential for use in other applications and industries. Number 5. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2013 as a joke by 2 software developers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It operates on a blockchain network and has gained significant attention in recent years due to endorsements from celebrities such as Elon Musk. Dogecoin has a market capitalization of over $30 billion as of September 2021, and its popularity has been driven by its meme-based branding and strong community following. Conclusion: cryptocurrencies continue to gain popularity as an asset class, and the top 5 cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization as of September 2021 are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, and Dogecoin. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and constantly changing, so investors should always conduct their own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions.